and start to our topic as discussed in our title. So first of all, we need to import some libraries. Uh, Maybe that's are not free. So, so let's from analytical. Okay, okay. Okay, okay. I think that was selected wrongly. So that's topic of the autocomplete. That what you sometimes deviate from your first task. So why? Okay, hold. Okay, what you are saying. Okay, so that's our suggestion. Let's make experiment if it will do some work for us or not. If okay, then we will move. So from here, we will create our object variable. So let's suppose the reflection is equal to, and then write some commands which you want that if you write, then your bot will respond to you. Here I am giving my bot name is escape bot. So what is basically the escape bot? I will tell you sometimes in our future video. So that's become so big and big. So for the sake of time, I am just okay. That's enough. That's enough. I am going to finish this, and that's where is our bracket closing. Okay, that's the bracket close. So now definitely the what the your escape board will respond. Now we will write there this, 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 yes, 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 yes. Okay. That's a repeating and repeating again and again. So basically, okay, so that's is the drawback. So let's suppose okay, start from this. Now this. Okay, yes, that one. Okay, okay, what is going on? No, I don't want this. So let's use our own mind. That's how the responses as you want. So here I am going to change. My name is chatbot. Okay. So he is asking from me that So you can comment in this section box, section comment section box, if you have any more great ideas for making that control chatbot for the beginner, so I can learn also, and the other will also learn from you. So I will be very grateful and thankful if you do that. Okay. So I think that is repeating. So that's okay. Finish it here. So yes, you and you okay. That's we are closing now. Okay. So now we will call our chatbot. Now we will run. What is this? Let's see. Whether is it cannot import name should be okay. That's the side effect which I have told you early of. So let's okay. We will run and see our program is running. I don't think it is running. Okay. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Our words is try to run again. Okay. Let's see what let's debug our program that what is so where is import UDP is written. I want to maybe okay, now if you run that something happened. Come on, run. I think the video is going very long and long, and my viewers are becoming so bored. So, okay, still not running. Okay, come on. Oh, chat import chat. Okay, Okay, viewers. So now our programming is running. So it won't want to change our name. Okay, we will type here and see what is here. Okay, in reflections. So I am very much confused that why our okay, that's good. That's good. Very good. So okay, I am reflections. Okay, so I think that okay, okay, let's run. Okay, okay, now that is working. So that's all that exactly what we will write here. Then it will be work. Okay, thank you.